Hello everyone.
Hello everyone, my name is Phong. I'm from Đi Làm với Bố YouTube channel, and next to me here is
I am Tường Vi.
today. Tường Vi and I will take you for a day trip in Ninh Bình. If you are wondering about what activities of the day today, please watch the entire video to decide for your family if you want to do that or not. Remember, this is just only one day, and we still have one more day in Ninh Bình here, and I will show you in the next video as well. And you can decide like today or tomorrow which one day you prefer for your one day trip. And please follow our journey now. We are going to start from here. The first place that we are going to visit here is Big Động Pagoda. You can see all around here. This is very beautiful scenery. Look at that.
Wow, so beautiful. I have chance to go to work with Daddy. In our group, there are 6 people from Singapore.
Hey. We are in Big Động Pagodas now. This is a dark cave. Yeah, to go to the third pagoda, you need to pass this dark cave where they have a lot of bats holding on the ceilings there. You hear the sound of the bats? Lots of them holding on the ceiling there. It's amazing view in the front. The champion.
The champion is up there.
Champion.
I'm number 1.
Bye bye.
Hey, now we bye bye.
Hello. Hello, that's me.
Just finished lunch here, and now we are going for cycling activities for today. On the bicycle, we cycle around the village, and now we go to the mountainous view. We enjoy it. It's beautiful here, right? Stop here for photos. You can see my group is cycling along the way to get here. It's a beautiful path to cycle.
Hello.
It's beautiful here, right?
Yes, good.
Okay. This is another amazing view here where people can do cycling around the village along this path, which is very quiet, peaceful, and really amazing. Very beautiful. Now we take a picture with Thung Nham Bird Garden here, and now visiting the Bird Valley, and the first activity is visiting the Dark Cave. This is our group. Now everyone visiting the the Buddha Cave. The Buddha Cave. Enjoy. Okay.
Hôm nay họ không được tiêu chưa?
How was it? How was the boat trip? Good.
I want to sell local.
How is it? Good? Okay. Now we are heading back to the mermaid cave. Mermaid cave. This is the way up. Yeah, 30 step. And then we will see the sign to show you mermaid cave. And after that you go down a bit there.
Hello.
Hi. Hey, be careful everyone, huh? Watch your head. I don't want any of you got hit here.
Con cá sân này.
When you're going this way, you need to be very careful. Very low. It's very low. And then turn that way. And this part is okay. Look at Hangchi. He's crawling. Hangchi, are you crawling? Yes? Hey.
We are back.
It's good to see you. At least you don't get lost.
We are safe.
Hi.
Back. Safe.
Good to see.
Hello.
Hi. Hi.
Mommy, be careful.
Hi.
Hello everyone.
How do you feel?
Great.
Great. Loud.
Short.
Okay. Let's go. Keep going.
Go down. Low.
Hi.
Let's go mà chị bạn bè quan hurra.
Yeah, go back one by one.
Yeah, you see the statue look like a mermaid.
Yeah, it's a nature.
Actually a bit of carving.
Okay.
But most of them is natural way. But they're carving a bit like you see the tail. There. Wow, the lights there look amazing.
On the sun.
Yes. We are for you already.
Oh, you stay here.
No worry.
Okay, thank you.
This is the way out. Now, the last activities of the complex that we are going to the bird valley, and this is the way to go there. Oh, it is darker this way. Everyone, look at this one. This is a moving banyan trees in the complex. Moving banyan trees. Do you believe it? The tree can move? No. When the roots touch the soil, year by years, it forms the new branches, which is bigger and bigger.
Con vạc.
Thế gì thế này chùa đứng trên lưng con rùa đấy. Mùa này thì đang bắt đầu vào mùa sinh sản của hạt đấy. Đang đẻ đấy.
Nói trước đó là du khách là đi cũng nhiều lắm, một chuyến đò thì cũng mà cái áo phao nó màu cam ở trên đứng mặt nước là thấy du khách nào cũng đẹp hết.
Happy birthday to you. You go in.
Học sinh con khó sư phạm. Học sinh có bánh cake đấy.
我打了。
Thiên ý.
Okay, let's sing a song. Bye, record.
Adik-adik.
Okay. Okay, one, bye, recording. Yeah. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Lucy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
The end of the video today. Don't forget to subscribe and watch our next video. Goodbye.